guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I will be filming for you guys my home tour for fall 2020. I have been doing this for the past 2 years and I can't wait to show you guys the end result. I have switched some things out. When I go to the store, I see some things that I like and I'll go ahead and switch that out. But I will make sure to leave my fall clean and decorate with me series down in my description box. It will be in a playlist. Also, this video is in collab with Shawana from Making Her Way, so I can't wait for you guys to watch her channel. If you're not subscribed to her, I love the way she decorates. It's completely different from the way I decorate, but I absolutely love that because everyone decorates differently, and I definitely love her style. So you will enjoy her videos, and her link will be down in my description box, but I will let her introduce herself right here.
Hi guys, my name is Shawana from Homemaking Her Way. I am a full-time mom and wife and a part-time pharmacist. I post cleaning motivation, DIYs, decor inspiration, cooking, and just all things motherhood and homemaking over on my channel. So if you like that kind of content, when you finish watching this pretty lady's video, I would love it if you would come over and say hi. I can't wait to see you guys over there. Bye.
And if you came over for Shawana's channel, hi guys, I'm Yesenia, and I hope you enjoy my content just enough to subscribe. And let me show you guys my home tour. I also have my Hello Fall mug. I feel like it's official that I could use this mug since it's past September 1st. So as y'all can see, I have my tea ready to go. Who drinks tea as well? I drink coffee, but I also drink tea, and I don't drink tea as much in the summertime. But now that the weather is getting cooler, it was pretty chilly this morning, I got some tea out. So coming into my house, I always want to show you guys how it looks when you first come in. And I'm gonna first start off with my wax warmer. I got this wax warmer from Walmart, and I get asked all the time. So when I bought this wax warmer, it was $20. It's now $15, I think, at Walmart. So I just turned it on, so it hasn't started melting yet, but this is the one that I'm using right here. It's by the Sensational brand, and they have it at Walmart. Sorry, trying to focus on here. And they have it at Walmart, and it's only like $2. So it's the autumn air, and it smells amazing. I got this little candy dish from Target Dollar Spot 3 years ago. So a lot of the decor I use over and over. I don't like to just buy brand new stuff every single year. And I have it filled up with some Hershey's Kisses. So with every season, I always change the pillowcases, and I pretty much get the same pillowcases. I just changed the colors. And these orange pillowcases came from Amazon, and it's in my Amazon favorites down in my description box, just in case you guys want to check it out. But it's so much easier. You don't have to worry about storing pillows. So I love this orange color. The next thing I have here is my tray. So I got this tray from Kirkland's, and I actually had it in my kitchen, on my kitchen table, but I felt like it would look better here. So this lantern I've had for 3 years now, and it came from Burlington. It was like $12. And these pumpkins were actually pretty ugly, and I was gonna get rid of them, but instead I painted them with some chalk paint, and then I colored I painted the stems, and I feel like it looks so much better now. It goes so much better with my decor. And then I added some stems in here, and I got these from Hobby Lobby. They were like $1 something after their 40% off coupon, but I love the way this turned out. And this little pumpkin came from the Dollar Tree, and I'm thinking about painting the stem as well to match with everything else that I have here. So a lot of the stuff that I have in here comes from the Dollar Tree, like the stuff that I filled it in, except for the lights. I got the lights from Target Dollar Spot 2 years ago, and a lot of times when I buy anything, it's usually after fall sale, so I either get 50% off or 75% off. And it's filled with pumpkins and pine cones and all kinds of stuff in here, and I just turn it on at night, especially when we're watching a movie. I absolutely love it, and it's actually one of my favorite things of this living room. So I added this thankful garland, and it comes from Target Dollar Spot as well. I do love shopping at Target Dollar Spot, but it was from 3 years ago, so I don't think you can find it now because they pretty much change their stuff every year. But I will be changing it out for Halloween, so I will find me a Halloween garland. I will be adding some Halloween decor here. My plans to add Halloween decor like little by little with my fall decor. I've never decorated for Halloween before, but I'm so excited. My kids can't wait for me to decorate for Halloween. And right here I added this arrangement. See, I only paid like $2 for this vase looking thing. After sale at Hobby Lobby, it was 80% off after fall sale. So you guys, I am like the queen of cheap. I do not like paying full price for anything. This floral arrangement I also got from Hobby Lobby. I added some at the beginning. You guys will see if you saw my first fall clean and decorate with me video, you saw that I added something different here, but I ended up changing it because I didn't like it. And I feel like this one looks so much better, and I brought it to this side. I got this leaf garland from Walmart. It was only $2.98. They finally started bringing out their fall stuff, so I felt like this area needed a little more orange color. I like neutral colors, but I love my regular traditional fall color, so I have to add my orange in here. This pumpkin came from Hobby Lobby, and this is also one of the pumpkins I painted as well because it was dark and it said the word fall on here. It was very ugly, honestly. I was gonna donate it, but I'm so glad that I did, and I just ended up painting it anyway. So this big pumpkin stand actually came from Hobby Lobby, and I bought this last year for 50% off. I went to Burlington last week and I found this pumpkin, and I love it. So this is what I mean about me adding some Halloween with my fall decor. I feel like it goes well with everything else here. And then I add another little small pumpkin at the end, and this also came from Hobby Lobby. So I like to use Dollar Tree books to use it like to rise up the decor that I have. So this pumpkin also came 80% off. I bought it from Hobby Lobby last year, and they still have it this year. If you're looking for a pumpkin like this, I saw it at the store. And this one is also a candy tray, but I have nothing in this one. And then this 3 book stacks. I got the books from Dollar Tree. I had to remember where I got it from. I got it from Dollar Tree. Then I painted them, and then I added the vinyl with my Cricut machine. And we are now in my kitchen. So I used to have this stand here for my coffee canister and my snack canister, but I switched it up with a tray, and I got this tray from Target Dollar Spot last year, and I added some fall decor on here. And if you guys know me for a while, you've been watching my videos, you know I'm a huge Rae Dunn collector, and I love my Rae Dunn, so I had to switch it up. I was kind of sick of the way it looked over here. This little acorn from Hobby Lobby. So I also got the sign from Hobby Lobby. This was $1 at Target Dollar Spot last year, I think. And I have like the little light thing here, and at night I'd like to this wood sign. My husband and I made this together. He cut the wood for me and the sides, and he stained them, and I made the actual sign. I mean, it's not perfect because it was my first wood sign, but because it's my first one, I love it, and I had to hang it here in my kitchen. It was even better, you guys, it's reversible. So when it's Halloween, I'm going to switch that up, and it says the 31st, and it says October at the bottom, so I can't wait for that. So I like to keep it pretty simple in my kitchen. So my regular decor is here. I didn't put any fall decor here. And right here I am burning a fall candle by the Sensational brand. It was $12.99 at Marshall's. So I hope if you're looking for a candle, this is a good one to try. It's apple cinnamon and it smells amazing. It's actually coconut wax blend, and when you blow it out, you don't have that smoky smell at all. So it smells so good and it's huge. Right here I have a basket that, by the way, I was going to donate this to the Goodwill because I didn't know what I was going to do with it, but I found this pick your own pumpkins from last year's Target dollar spot, and I was also going to donate that because I didn't think I needed it. And I just got the idea to make a basket full of pumpkins, and then with a sign saying pick your own pumpkins. So for this corner, when I got this sign last year for 80% off at Hobby Lobby, I already knew that I was going to put it in this corner, and at night I turned the light off that I have up here, and it lights up, and this pumpkin also lights up, and I got this from Burlington. I paid $4.99 for it. So slowly but surely I've been adding a little bit of Halloween as well with my fall decor, and then I added a small little pumpkin that I got from Hobby Lobby, and that was it for this corner. So my plan is to still change out the kitchen towels because these aren't very fall-y. I did buy these last year for fall, but I'm gonna get some different ones. I just have not been able to go to the store trying to get the kids ready for virtual learning, but I will switch them out. But I do love this color. It's a great transition from summer to fall. All right, y'all, this is my kitchen table. So I got this runner from Amazon. It's in my Amazon favorites. I love the color. I feel like it goes well, and it matches my living room pillows. This tray is from my Etsy shop, and it has our last name with the year my husband and I got married, with this vase from Target dollar spot that I paid maybe $1 or $2 because I bought it after fall season. The flowers also came from fall Hobby Lobby after fall sale, and I bought these last year, and I love the bright color of the flowers. This hello sign also came from Hobby Lobby, 40% off, and this garland also came from Hobby Lobby with a Dollar Tree pumpkin. So for Halloween, of course, I'll be switching this up a little bit, but I love the way everything turned out here. So this sign says, in our home, we let love abide and bless those who step inside. And I got this from Hobby Lobby a few months back. So, but what I did here is I bought a lamb's ear garland from Hobby Lobby that was 50% off. So I only ended up paying $10 for it. So right here is my favorite part of the kitchen, which is my tiered tray. I absolutely love decorating my tiered tray. I'm not perfect at it, but I have fun. I consider it like my little dollhouse. I get to move little things around and make it look the way I want. So right here I added some greenery, and then I had a stand to rise up the greenery with the pumpkins, that pumpkin truck, the little red truck that came from Hobby Lobby, with a gnome and a little haystack that came from the Dollar Tree. This sign also came from Dollar Tree. So my tier tray came from Hobby Lobby's, not Hobby Lobby, Home Goods, and it was in the clearance section. We only paid $22 for it, so I can't really link it down because they don't have it anymore. But most of this stuff in here came from Hobby Lobby, and then this rolling pin comes from my Etsy shop, and I added it on here as well. I have to fix this because it's kind of like crooked, but also this one came from my Etsy shop, and I have a bunch of different styles on there. So the pumpkins also came from Hobby Lobby. This is also in my Etsy shop, but everything else came from Hobby Lobby except for the leaves. These come from the Dollar Tree, and I felt like it needed something to come out and also fill the empty spots in the tier tray. So I feel that helped a lot. And of course I had to add some Rae Dunn here with these wood spoons that also came from Hobby Lobby. And this is the rest of the stuff right here. this is my half bathroom, and I kept it pretty simple here. I added some flower arrangements from the Dollar Tree, and I love the color. I just love burgundy, so I added that here with my Rae Dunn water pitcher, drink pitcher, or whatever you want to call it. And then of course I had a little squirrel and a pumpkin with some Bath and Body Works hand sew. So I kept that pretty simple, but this is the bathroom that most guests will use when they come here, so I wanted to decorate it. I did not decorate the whole house, but make sure to decorate this half bathroom. Made this sign as well, and what's even better, I made this sign reversible so like that when it's Christmas, let me see if I can show you guys, all I have to do is reverse it. I do love reversible signs. It saves on space. Alright guys, now we are in my master bedroom. I also decided to decorate my room since our room is actually downstairs. I used some pillow covers that I got from Amazon, and there's also in my Amazon favorites. It's just so much easier that way, and I absolutely love it. It came with a pack of 4, so I didn't end up using all of them, but I used the Hello Fall with the little red truck and the pumpkins, and then I used the other one over here, and then I used oh, it looks exactly the same as the ones that I have in my living room, so that's also in my Amazon favorites. And I always have lights on my headboard at night. I like to have the lights on. It's like having a little lamp on, and I just love it. So I got this garland from Hobby Lobby, and of course it was last year for 80% off, so I didn't pay much for it. I just don't remember how much I paid for it. And so what I did is I added some twinkle lights on here because, as y'all can see, I love twinkle lights, so I add twinkle lights to pretty much everything. And also this tray also came from Hobby Lobby for 80% off. So if you guys don't want to pay a bunch of money for some fall decor, just wait till the fall season is over and then get it on sale. And then I added some lamb's ear, and this candle comes from Walmart, and it was only $3.88 or something like that. And this one's called Warm Autumn Leaves, and it smells so good. So right up under the TV, I just kept it pretty simple as well. Most of this decor came from Hobby Lobby and Dollar Tree. This tray comes from Home Goods, and I bought that almost 4 years ago, but I love the way everything turned out here. And then right here on the side is my little office area, and my daughter's going to be using this area to do her virtual learning, which, by the way, they start tomorrow. And I kept it pretty simple here as well. So I kept most of my regular decor, and then I just added some little pumpkins right here. And then there's 2 stack book. I made this myself, and then the rest I just added little pumpkins with what I already had on here. One thing I forgot to show you guys, that this is the blanket that I normally keep on my bed, and I found this at Marshall. It's a Rae Dunn blanket. It's so soft, you guys. It's with that burnt orange color, and it says trick or treat, but she has a ton of them at the store, so I'm happy that I was able to find one. But this is what I keep on my bed. All right guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed this fall home tour for 2020. Comment down below which room of the house was your favorite. Was it the living room? Was it the kitchen? Was it the half bathroom? Or was it my bedroom? Comment down below and let me know. Also, don't forget to go check out Shawana's channel. I will make sure I leave her link down in my description box. Give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you have not done so already. And keep a lookout for my next videos, guys. Bye.